Greetings YouTube, Lion Unleashed back here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. As you know, we've been undergoing our annual spring maintenance around our 1,100 gallon Koi and Goldfish pond in our backyard escapes area. As we near the halfway point, we just want to give you guys a quick peek at what we've done so far so you guys can see where exactly we're headed with what we're doing down here around our garden pond. Take a look at this, YouTube. As you can see, we've completely weeded one half of our wildflower garden that we planted down here around our pond for our hummingbirds, butterflies, and honeybees. We completely weeded the front areas along the front side of the garden beds here, all the way around, about halfway around. And we weeded also the 1 foot path, walk path on the inside of the wildflower garden bed, in between the bed itself and the pond here is what we done. And as you can see, these areas across the front and on the right hand side look a lot different than these areas that have not been completed yet. Can you see all these weeds down here along the front? Along the back side of our wildflower garden bed here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. We actually have exactly one half of this garden pond area, garden bed area to complete. We just want to bring you guys a quick view of where we were so far at this point, so you can see exactly where we were going with this. And you might also notice that we added some marigolds. We found those marigolds on sale at Lowe's. I think they had a crate of those, crate of 6 of those for about $3.78 or something like that a couple of weeks ago. So we grabbed a couple of cases of those and planted those on the corners in those spots where you noticed from one of our previous videos, we didn't plant these corners here with wildflowers. We told you guys that we were going to plant something else there that also repels squirrels, and squirrels can't stand marigolds. So we planted 3 of these marigolds on each corner, as you can see, all the way around. Have 3 on each corner, and again from that end down there all the way around to here is the sections that we haven't completed yet. But we just wanted to give you guys a quick peek at what we've done so far and let you see how well our wildflowers are actually doing. We had tremendous success with seed germination this year with our wildflowers, and we're really pleased with the way they came up and how thick and green and healthy they are at this point. At any rate, YouTube, thanks for watching, and we'll bring you guys back in another couple of days once we are actually complete with the rest of our wildflower garden bed here with the weeding process and laying down our mulch, and also bring you guys back to show you what we're currently doing on the inside of the pond with our new fountain system. We're actually installing a fountain system inside our pond this year, and we're really excited about that also. So we'll bring you guys an update on that after we bring you guys an update on this. Thanks for watching, YouTube, and if you like what you see in this video, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and the notification button below this video so that you will be notified every time we upload new content. Thanks.